Hey, this is Joe from PreSonus. In this Studio One Minute, I'm going to show you how to get epic stereo guitar sounds using Ampire and the Splitter tool in just a few quick steps. Step 1. Set up 2 different amps on the same channel. Step 2. On the routing page, drag and drop the Splitter tool. Step 3. Make sure the splitter is set to channel split mode. Step 4. Drag 1 amp to each side of the split. And step 5, rock out. If you liked this, you'll love PreSonus Sphere. Your membership unlocks access to Studio One Professional, Notion, all the Studio One add-ons, plus exclusive videos you can't find anywhere else, including one from me on how to dial in tones in Ampire. If that sounds like your cup of tea, check it out at PreSonus.com.